KashKick games can reward you only after you complete the required tasks inside each game offer, so the highest payout is not always the fastest one to finish. By the end, you'll know how KashKick game offers work, what to look for before starting a game, and how to choose offers based on payout potential and completion requirements. The first thing to check before downloading any game from KashKick is the offer details. Each game offer can have different requirements, such as reaching a specific level, completing certain actions, or meeting conditions within a set period. A higher reward does not automatically mean a better choice. A game that takes many hours to complete may not be worth your time compared with a lower paying offer that has simpler requirements. The second section is comparing game offers. Look at 3 things before starting: the reward amount, the required progress, and how realistic the goal is for your playing style. For example, if one game requires reaching a difficult milestone and another requires completing simpler tasks, the second option may be easier to finish, even if the displayed reward is lower. Always read the full offer instructions before installing a game. Some offers track progress only after you start through the correct KashKick link, so following the listed steps helps avoid tracking problems. The third section is improving your results with KashKick games. Choose games that match how you normally play. If you enjoy strategy games, puzzle games, or casual games, select offers that fit your interests, because completing requirements usually requires consistent activity. Keep track of your progress inside the game, and compare it with the KashKick offer requirements. If your progress does not appear correctly, review the offer instructions and contact support with the details of the issue. Avoid starting multiple complicated offers at the same time. Focusing on one game makes it easier to complete the required steps and monitor whether the reward is tracking correctly. The best KashKick game offers are not only about the biggest payout. They are about finding the right balance between reward size, difficulty, and the time needed to complete the requirements. To summarize, KashKick game payouts depend on the offer terms, completion requirements, and successful tracking. Check the details before starting. Choose games that match your playstyle, and monitor your progress. Your next step is to open KashKick, review the available game offers, and compare the requirements before choosing one. If this guide helped you understand KashKick game rewards, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.